Throughout history, artists have been known to love their cats. But why? Why do artists love their cats so much? Let's take a look at some cat artwork and images of artists with their cats to discover why many artists love cats so much. Starting in ancient times, artists began to draw and paint cats. Some of these cats may have been pets, some may have been wild cats. Let's take a moment to look at artwork that depicts those cute, furry critters. As you can see, these drawings and paintings of cats cover many different art styles. Here we see abstract style cats, impressionistic style cats, stylized cats, pop art cats, cats created in the Cubist style, realistic cats, pointillism cats, cats created in the surrealist style, comic art cats, and artwork depicting cats acting like humans. There are many reasons why artists love their cats. Cats are quiet and cuddly and independent. They don't require as much attention as dogs, so artists can focus on their creative work while in the art studio with their cats. Cats are beautiful, curious creatures who are good listeners, and they are known to lounge around, find a nice place to doze off, and entertain themselves. While artists work in their studio spaces, cats can keep them company and provide calm companionship. Let's take a moment to look at some photos of artists and their cats.